Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is set to present Budget 2025 on February 1, 2025. The government's primary focus is to boost consumption and stimulate growth, especially since GDP has declined in the past quarter. To achieve this, there is speculation about providing income tax relief for salaried taxpayers to increase their purchasing power. Another significant expectation is the introduction of the Direct Tax Code, DTC, in Budget 2025. The DTC aims to simplify India's complex tax system, making it more user-friendly and easier to navigate. The Income Tax Department has received over 6,500 suggestions from stakeholders to streamline the law. A committee led by the CBDT is working on removing outdated provisions and easing compliance requirements. The revised act is expected to have fewer chapters and sections, reducing from the current 298 sections and 23 chapters. Will Budget 2025 introduce the Direct Tax Code? Given the potential benefits of the DTC, the question arises, will it be announced in the upcoming budget? If so, what will be its implications on tax benefits? Experts suggest that the upcoming union budget might not include major structural changes in direct taxes, as the government is working on a new direct tax code to replace the existing Income Tax Act, 1961. As the new direct tax code is in the works, the upcoming budget may not contain any major structural changes on the direct tax front, said Kumar Mangalam Vijay, partner at JSA Advocates and Solicitors. However, experts believe that individual taxpayers could expect some relief through revised tax slabs to help combat inflation. It is expected to provide some benefits to individual taxpayers by increasing the tax slabs to make additional cash available to them to combat inflation. The government would do well to extend the low tax regime to companies that set up new manufacturing units in India during the financial year 2025-26 to help generate employment, said Vijay. The government's approach seems to be focused on gradually simplifying tax laws, with particular attention to streamlining tax deducted at source (TDS) provisions. Sources indicate that the current complex TDS structure could be consolidated into 3 to 5 broad categories with simplified rates. Roni Antony, partner and leader, Corporate Tax, South, at BDO India, emphasizes the urgent need for tax rationalization. The rationalization of income tax is long overdue. While some efforts were made in that direction with a proposed direct tax code, not much has happened post-introduction of a draft, he said. Antony suggests that the current strategy appears to favor fixing issues within the existing framework rather than introducing entirely new legislation. A key concern that experts hope the budget will address is the ongoing challenge of tax litigation in the Income Tax Act. Antony said, with significant amounts stuck in litigation, this poses an issue for taxpayers who want certainty and the tax department that wants to collect taxes.